Hello friend, welcome to my channel My Technopedia. In today's video we will learn how to remove duplicates in Excel. How to find duplicates in Excel. Removing duplicates in Excel helps us to clean the data which we will need in further processing. So now we will start the video. Firstly, you need to have the data like this, and now we will make a copy of it. For that, select the data and right click copy. Now click here and control plus and shift cell right. Now it will paste the data. So click here to expand the cells. Now we have the data which has name, month and amount. So firstly we will work on remove duplicates in Excel. For removing duplicate rows, we have to select all the columns and then click on data, and from that menu click on the remove duplicates. It will show the remove duplicates dialog. All the columns are already selected. If not, please click on the select all. Also, it has a check marking my data has a header. If not selected, click to select it and press OK. Now it will tell you 2 duplicate values found and removed. Click OK. Now you can see that 2 values has been eliminated, removed. So friends, if you want to remove the data from one cell, one column, that column only, and repeat the procedure and click on remove duplicates. It will pop up the dialog expand the selection, but I will select continue with the current and click on remove duplicates. Now it shows only one column and it is selected, and if I click OK, it will give me how many cells are removed, values are removed. You can also see that many cells have been removed. So now we will delete these rows and work on previous columns. So now select all the columns. So we have seen how remove duplicates in Excel for rows and columns works. Now we'll work on highlighting duplicates in Excel. Highlighting duplicates in Excel, we have to select all the columns and cells and click on conditional formatting from home tab. Now click on conditional formatting, highlight cells value rules and then select duplicate values. So friends, you can easily see format cells that contains duplicate and it will highlight it with light red fill and dark red text. I will select third option, green fill with dark green text, and click on OK. So friends, you can easily see that all the duplicates are being highlighted. Now Excel list for unique values. So for the unique values, we need to click it conditional formatting again and highlight cell rules and duplicate values and then select unique from drop down, and this time I will select light red, first option, and OK. So friends, you can also see that duplicate values are being highlighted using green color and unique values from red color. So if you want to remove the rules, then you click on clear rules and clear selected cells. Now I will select highlight rules and duplicate values and unique values and click OK. So friends, it will only show you the unique values and no duplicate are being highlighted. You can also combine those values using conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate value, and then select green fill. So friends, in today's video, we have learned how to remove duplicates in Excel, how to find duplicates in Excel, or you can say how to delete duplicates in Excel. For this, we have done highlight duplicate in Excel. Also, we have work on unique cell values. I hope that you will like the video. Thanks for watching.